Kids for Positive Change is brought to you in part by Robert S. Morrison Foundation, the Ashtabula Foundation, the Kendall Foundation, Huffman Mayer Paulo Wealth Management Group of Wells Fargo Advisors, a friend of Kids for Positive Change, After School Discovery, and viewers like you. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Camille with Kids for Positive Change, and this is Bree, the Rescue Rooster. Join Bree, me, and the Kids for Positive Change team to take positive action to curb climate change. Are you ready, Bree? Are you ready? Let's meet the team.
Hi, I'm Sadie.
Giselle.
Michelle.
Jenna.
Jalen.
Emma.
Tyree.
Hi, I'm Clara.
Chance.
Malia.
Quinn.
We are Kids for Positive Change.
We're the Kids for Positive Change, working together so we can arrange bright ideas and actions with help from our heartbeat to heal our planet, 'cause we're one family. Our goal is finding solutions we need to save our planet. Let's start with the seed that grows into actions to help light the way. Kids for Positive Change, come join us today.
Today, we're learning about climate change, plastic pollution, and how we can take positive action. Climate change is a pretty hot topic, literally. Let me explain. First, let's talk about climate. Climate is not the same as weather. Weather changes from day to day. Some days it's sunny, raining, snowing, or windy. Climate is the pattern of weather conditions over a large area over a long period of time, like 30 years or more. Different places on Earth have different climates. There are dry climates, which get little rain, temperate climates that are warm with mild to cold winters, tropical climates that are warm, humid, and wet, polar climates with super cold winters and short, cool summers. The animals, plants, and people living in these places rely on steady climates to survive and thrive.
But climates are changing because the Earth's temperature is rising.
And the Earth's temperature is rising because of greenhouse gases, otherwise known as
Global warming. Global warming is caused by too much carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide in the Earth's atmosphere. These are naturally occurring greenhouse gases, but we've got way too much in the Earth's atmosphere right now because of human activities.
Did you know there are many climate change contributors?
Like what? Burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas used to power car, buses, trains, and planes and used to generate electricity.
Deforestation due to cattle ranching, palm oil plantations, mining, and logging.
Fast fashion.
Plastic production and pollution. And remember, plastics contain oil, a fossil fuel. Industrial agriculture, growing crops using toxic pesticides and fertilizers.
Clearing too much land to grow crops and raise animals for food.
Food waste.
Tyree, it's gonna be okay.
But there are so many climate change contributors.
I don't know what to do.
Let's push pause. There are many climate change contributors that are causing global warming, which is causing climate change. But we don't have to tackle all of them today. It's gonna be okay. Let's focus on
Plastic pollution.
what does plastic have to do with climate change?
Not good. It's a triple whammy.
Whammy number one. Plastic is made from chemical compounds containing oil, a fossil fuel that produces carbon dioxide. Whammy number two. Manufacturing and transporting plastic produces carbon. This includes single-use plastics, which are plastics used once and then thrown away, and items made from plastic that are thrown away eventually, like plastic toothbrushes and phone cases. Whammy number three. When plastic sits in landfills or littered waterways, it starts to emit methane, another greenhouse gas causing climate change. But this is just the tip of the ever-melting iceberg.
There's no better place to tell you more about plastic pollution and its connection to climate change than the world's oceans. Are you ready, team?
Ready.
Are you ready? Let's dive in. Oceans are the largest living space on Earth, covering 70% of Earth's surface. Look anywhere on a map, and you'll see an ocean, or two, or three, or four.
Ocean temperature depends on the location. Temperatures can be just around freezing at the poles and in deep waters, or temperatures can be as warm as bath water in the tropics. Heat from the sun warms only the surface of the ocean. Deep down, oceans everywhere are cold and dark.
The ocean is a planetary powerhouse. It regulates our climate, produces half of the oxygen we breathe, and fuels the water cycle that produces rain and fresh water.
Oceans throughout the world absorb greenhouse gases in Earth's atmosphere. It's safe to say that the ocean plays a critical role in keeping the planet balanced.
Yeah. 3 billion people rely on oceans for their livelihood. Up to 80% of all life on Earth calls the ocean home.
Blow your mind fact, there are between 230,000 and 750,000 marine species living in the ocean.
Whoa! Marine animals like sea turtles, orcas, salmon, whales, manta rays, and corals live in the ocean.
It's time for Quiz Quest with Chance, who's on a quest for knowledge.
True, false. One of the most important plants in the ocean is phytoplankton. True. One of the most important marine animals in the ocean are whales. True.
Phytoplankton, whales, and the health of our planet are intricately connected.
Phytoplankton are floating plants in the ocean. Phytoplankton creates as much oxygen as all the world's forests and grasslands combined, and it soaks up carbon dioxide. It's really important.
Yep, and this super tiny plankton needs a super big whale to thrive.
That's because whale poop fertilizes the plankton and helps it grow.
As a thank you, the plankton feeds the fish and krill feed the whales. There are a lot of cool animals and plants in the ocean.
Yep, there sure are. And they rely on a healthy ocean to survive and thrive because every animal and plant is interconnected and has a role to play in keeping the marine ecosystem balanced.
And when the ocean is healthy, we're healthy too.
But climate change is impacting oceans' temperatures. Just like Earth's land is warming, oceans are warming too. A warming ocean messes with the pH balance of the ocean. An ocean off balance equals ocean acidification.
Ocean acidification threatens the marine food chain.
A warming ocean also impacts coral reefs. Colorful coral reefs, full of life, turn white. This is called coral bleaching. If the ocean's temperature remains too high, the coral dies. Because of climate change, entire reef ecosystems are disappearing.
Animals and plants who call ocean home are losing viable habitats and food sources, some vulnerable, endangered, or critically endangered, and at risk of becoming extinct.
As this happens, they can't play their important roles keeping the ocean ecosystems balanced. This leads to something called a cascading effect. When one thing goes down, it starts a chain reaction.
Not good. So ocean temperatures, climate change, plastics? I get it.
We know plastic puts carbon dioxide and methane into Earth's atmosphere.
Exactly. These greenhouse gases are causing climate change on land and in the ocean. But there's more. A fourth whammy.
Oh, geez.
Whammy number 4. Plastic pollution in the ocean harms marine life. About 8.8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean each year. It's estimated that around half of all marine mammals have either eaten or gotten entangled in plastic. Fish are eating plastic too. And if humans are eating fish, humans are eating plastic.
Another blow your mind fact, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is so full of plastic, it is about as big as the state of Alaska. Alaska is 665,400 square miles. It's estimated that 51 trillion pieces of plastic, many of which are plastic water bottles, bags, straws, utensils, and microplastics, are floating in the ocean right now. And
No, I can't take a whammy number 5.
the plastic pollution problem isn't just in the ocean. Plastic litters beaches, parks, neighborhoods, rivers, and lakes.
This is a big problem. It sure is.
But together, we can find solutions and take positive action.
We know small steps and bright ideas lead to big results.
Are you ready to take positive action? Yeah! Our Kids for Positive Change team meet and share their bright ideas to ditch plastic, stop plastic pollution, and curb climate change. You can start your very own Kids for Positive Change team. Ask friends and family to meet and talk about how you can take positive action to help the planet. Set goals, take action. What can we do to take positive action? We can!
Be Earth advocates. To advocate means standing up and speaking about a cause you believe in, and asking others to join you. We can write letters and sign petitions to decision makers, restaurants, and business owners asking them to replace plastics with sustainable alternatives.
We can participate in beach, river, and park cleanups.
We can host a fundraiser within our local communities and raise money for organizations working to curb climate change and plastic pollution.
We have the power to change climate change by the choices we make every day.
Helpful Habits with Jenna and Jalen.
We can form helpful habits to help the planet.
We can skip the plastic straw.
I know it seems small, but if everyone skipped the plastic straw, it would make a big difference. Reuse a reusable straw or go straw-free.
We can skip the plastic bag and use reusable bags.
This is a totally awesome helpful habit. Keep your reusable bags in your car or in your backpack so you always have one handy.
We can skip the plastic utensils.
If we are out and about, we can bring our own reusable utensils. If we are ordering out, we can get in the habit of telling our server we don't need utensils.
We can skip the plastic water bottle.
We can use a reusable water bottle.
The next best thing to a reusable water bottle is boxed water. Let's ask an expert why boxed water is better.
Hi, I'm Rob Keenan. I am the Chief Revenue Officer and in charge of sustainability for Boxed Water is Better. Recycling is not enough anymore. You need to use materials that are not non-renewable materials. So plastic is made from oil, obviously, and you can't plant more oil. You can't put that back in the earth. 70 billion bottles are made every year in the US. So 50 billion of those bottles go into the ocean or in landfills because they're not getting recycled. So it takes an average 12 minutes to drink a bottle of water. That bottle of water, if it goes in the ocean, it'll take 700 years for it to actually break down. For you history buffs, just to put it into perspective, so 700 years sounds like a big number. You don't think about it. I mean, wow, that's a lot. But think about it. If Leonardo da Vinci or Michelangelo drank a bottle of water, threw it over the side of the boat, it would still be around. So the simple act of picking up one of these gets rid of that whole problem instantaneously. So it's like the easiest thing you can do to help our planet.
Or you could try a water pod.
Water pods are made with seaweed.
Pop the pod in your mouth and hydrate.
Poke a hole in the pod and drink.
Toss the pod outside and it'll biodegrade. Way cool!
Tyree's Tips with Emma and Tyree.
Repurpose plastic.
Turn a plastic juice bottle into a vase or a piggy bank.
Recycle plastics the right way.
Recycling plastic the right way is really important. Learn what each recycling label means. Don't know how to recycle those hard to recycle items like toothbrushes and contact lens? Check out TerraCycle for directions.
Reduce, reduce, reduce your plastic use.
Room for Change with Clara and Chance.
You can take positive action for the planet in every room in your home.
In the bathroom, swap plastic Q-tips with paper or reusable Q-tips. Swap plastic shampoo bottles for a shampoo bar. Goodbye plastic toothbrush, hello biodegradable bamboo toothbrush. A bamboo toothbrush might cost a little more, but isn't the health of our planet worth it? Look around every room in your home. I'll bet you'll find plastic in every room. Start today. Little by little, ditch plastic and make the switch to earth-friendly, sustainable alternatives.
Make the connection with Quinn and Giselle.
Today, we're talking about plastics, parties, and climate change.
What's the connection?
Birthday parties, holiday parties, school parties. Everyone likes to party, but...
That party probably means plastic.
Exactly. Plastic tablecloths, utensils, cups, plates, used once, then tossed.
Have a plastic-free party. Use reusable products.
Not digging the cleanup? Use sustainable products that will naturally biodegrade when thrown away. Check out this plate made from palm leaves.
When it comes to decorations, skip the balloons and confetti and opt for streamers, or better yet, make your own decorations from magazines. Give a reusable item, like a reusable straw, as a party favor.
Hosting a plastic-free party is something to celebrate. Now that we've made the connection, let's pass it on.
Pass on everything you've learned today. One of the most powerful things you can do is share your knowledge with friends and family. Take positive action together.
Make an informative flyer to share your knowledge.
Draw a picture to share your knowledge.
Make a video to share your knowledge.
Write an article for your local newspaper to share your knowledge.
Compose a song to share your knowledge. Sadie's Solutions with Sadie.
We've just told you about many solutions. Let's add them to your Take Action jar. Plastic-free party. Recycle plastic. Use reusable products. And every day, choose one piece of paper and take action.
Bree, choose a Take Action from the Take Action jar. Way down there? Which one? How about that? This one? Okay. Make a reusable bag from a t-shirt. Okay. Join us.
What you'll need: a t-shirt, a pair of scissors. Step 1. Cut the collar off the t-shirt. Set it aside, you'll need it later. Step 2. Cut the sleeves off the t-shirt. Step 3. Turn your shirt inside out. Step 4. Gather the bottom of the shirt. Step 5. Cut the collar in one long strip and tie it tightly around the bottom of the shirt. Step 6. Turn the shirt right side in, and you now have a reusable t-shirt bag. Motivational message with Malia.
We have all the knowledge and resources to save our planet. With hope in our hearts, let's come together, take positive action, and turn the tide on climate change.
Bree, the Kids for Positive Change team rocks. Or in chicken speak, walks. But they're not alone. Did you know there are kids across the globe taking positive action for the planet? Let's meet one of them now. I'm here with Hunter, an amazing youth change maker and kid for positive change. And Hunter is taking positive action for sharks. Hey Hunter, how you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Awesome. Hunter, tell our audience how old you are.
I am 10 years old.
And what are you doing to save and protect sharks?
I am raising money for AWSC to help them get better research.
Awesome. And tell our audience, what is AWSC?
AWSC is the Atlantic White Shark Conservancy in Cape Cod.
Yes, and it's pretty awesome, right? They do a lot of shark research and they do a lot of education to help kids and adults learn about sharks, right? So Hunter, why do you think sharks are important? Why should we care about sharks?
Because without sharks, it would be overpopulated by fish, and the ocean would not be healthy by all the sick and dying fish.
But Hunter, what problems are sharks facing?
They are facing two major problems: global warming and pollution.
Tell our audience what you are doing to take positive action for sharks.
I am raising money for AWSC. I am doing lemonade stands, apple cider stands, and I'm also actually raising money by telling people facts on my mom's Facebook.
So Hunter, what can you tell our kid viewers? How can you inspire them to take positive action for sharks?
Well, they can stop polluting, recycle a lot more, and you know those Gatorade things that hold all of them in the 8-packs? Cut those rings.
So Hunter, I am so happy you were with us today. We got to showcase you. You have a very special picture that you made. Would you hold that up and show our audience this awesome picture?
I actually painted this.
Whoa, that is so cool. And you're sharing your knowledge and your love of sharks through this beautiful painting. Well done, Hunter. Thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you.
Whoa, what an amazing youth change maker. You know what? You are a change maker too. Wherever you go the distance for the planet because
Local action gets global traction.
we can go the distance for the planet by saving and protecting nature and natural resources in our local communities. When we
Cone it. Instead of ordering ice cream in a cup, which requires a plastic spoon, you're ordering a cone.
Leave nothing. If we go fishing, we collect nets, lines from the water. If we go to the beach or park, we toss the trash in the can.
Pick up litter.
we are taking positive action that makes a difference locally and globally.
We might not live near or on the ocean, but always remember,
what we do here matters there.
Because climate change is impacting everything and everyone.
And when we take positive action to curb climate change, we're taking positive action for all animals, humans, and the planet, because we're all connected.
If we can take positive action, so can you!
Whoa, you all rock! Until next time, share your knowledge and keep taking positive action for a cooler climate and a brighter future. See you later. Bye.
Hey Claire, what do phones and flax have in common?
Beats me.
A biodegradable and compostable phone case made from flax straw. Way cool.
Hi, I'm Solani, and I'm working with KPC to bring attention to the changing state of our oceans. I wanted to do so in a way that was engaging, so I began a series of illustrated stories. I think it's really important to inform young audiences about climate change, but not in a way that's overwhelming. I hope everyone can enjoy my work when it's all finished.
Hi, my name's Annabella. I'm in 8th grade at Lakeside Junior High. I'm at Quest for Advanced Club. I'm working on how to help dolphins and how they're endangered and why do we need them. So first of all, they're endangered because human populations are throwing hooks and trash in the sea and they get stuck in fish nets. And then why do we need them? If we don't have them, then the Earth cycle will be unbalanced. Maybe the whole world will probably be destroyed. And how can we help them? We can help them by getting rid of plastic. Use real cups instead of plastic. Get rid of straws completely. Use metal straws, reusable straws. Use usable forks, all that. Use regular plates. No fish hooks. Nothing plastic that you can throw in the sea.
We're the kids for positive change, working together so we can arrange bright ideas and actions with help from our heartbeat to one family. Our goal is finding solutions we need to save our planet. Let's start with a seed that grows into actions to help light the way. Kids for positive change, come join us today.
Bit more. You gotta come a little bit more. Oh my gosh, I'm backwards. Towards Terry, this way. No, I'm sorry, other way, other way.
I was gonna say, we're this way.
There we go, very good. Very good.
Are you ready, team?
Ready!
Are you ready? Let's go!
Because of climate change, entire reef ecosystems are disappearing. I'm sorry.
Chance, you want to start off? Chance, Malia. Okay. Ready? You're looking here. 1A, 1I. Let's push pause. There are. Oh, that's my bad. This can get overwhelming.
Home. Look to the sky and might see a peregrine falcon. Take it. Oh, that's it.
Nope. Quinn, did you go out of
Did I go out of frame? No. Okay. Out of frame. Okay.
together in sync, or do you really want them to be all together?
Yeah.
I'm hip. I'm young and hip, everybody. Look at me.
Kids for Positive Change is brought to you in part by Robert S. Morrison Foundation, the Ashtabula Foundation, the Kendall Foundation, Huffman Mayer Paulo Wealth Management Group of Wells Fargo Advisors, a friend of Kids for Positive Change, After School Discovery, and viewers like you. Thank you.